Good morning. Today, I would like to go over a few screen recording applications that I've researched. As a private investigator, most of my recordings were done on my phone, and my iPhone had the built in capacity to screen record. But as an instructor, there are many different options you can use. There are some that are built in tools like Windows Snipping Tool or Mac OS's screenshot application, and these can be used for quick tasks. There are others that are free, like OBS Studio for streaming and advanced recording, and others that are user-friendly paid apps like Camtasia or Snagit for professional editing. Some web-based options are Loom and ShareX, which are popular for ease of sharing and features like audio capture. I found the following information I'm going to speak to you about on the website TechSmith under Best Screen Recorders by Danielle Ezell. She wrote this article in the June of 2025. There are a few key factors in choosing a screen recording application, and these include the ease of use, editing tools, the cost, and the platform you are using, like Windows, Mac, or web, and advanced features like webcam overlays or live streaming. I would like to go over now some of the built-in free options, and these are the basic and quick options. The first one, the Windows Snipping tool over here. This is for Windows 11. It's a simple recording of selected areas with audio, no watermark, and great for quick tasks. The second option is the Mac OS screenshot application. This app is a built-in tool for full screen, window, or portion recording with options for microphone and save locations. The next one is the ShareX. This can be used with Windows. The last one for this section, this is also free. It is open source, lightweight, with no time limits or watermarks. This option does require a shortcut use. Now we're going to move on to the feature-rich free and paid options, and there are quite a few. The first one we're going to talk about is the OBS Studio. This can be used with Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is a powerful open source tool ideal for streaming and complex setups. The downside is it can be complex for beginners. The next one is Camtasia. This is a paid app. It is an all-in-one solution with robust professional editing tools. This one is called Snagit. This is also a paid app. It is best for quick, informal recordings and annotations. The next is the Movavi screen recorder. This one is good for casual users that need to do an easy screen capture. Then we have ScreenFlow. This one is used with Mac. It is one of the popular apps for Mac users who need advanced features. Now let's move on to two web-based and collaboration-focused screen recording apps. The first one here is called Loom. This can be used with Android and iOS. It is excellent for quick recordings and sharing with teams, and it includes a webcam. The last one is Screencastify. This is a browser-based recording and sharing app that is great for educators. Now that you've been given a few options, you need to do your research on what app is best for you. When making your decisions, you need to look at the audio, check out the system sound, the microphone input, or both of those options. You want to see what editing tools you will most likely use, basic trimming or advanced tools like callouts, Zoom, etc. Will you be using the sharing option often? Direct upload to YouTube, cloud services, or easy link sharing? You need to remember the free versions usually have limitations on time and they use watermarks. Would you prefer to buy your screen sharing app to eliminate those limitations? Another important option to consider is the platform you will be using: Windows, Mac OS, web, or Android. Now, after that is all said and done, I don't use any of those. I found a while ago that I prefer Clipchamp's video recording, and that is how I record my videos for this class, but I had not used the screen recording feature until this assignment. Clipchamp lets you capture your screen, webcam, or both. It offers tools to create tutorials and presentations by recording specific windows, tabs, or your entire screen with microphone system audio. Once you record, you can save, edit, and export the video in various resolutions. Dr. Mendoza tells us that we need to use 720p or 1080p. It is a built-in browser-based tool for Windows use and accessible through the app or the home page. This makes screen sharing and video creation simple. I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how to use Clipchamp. You're going to go to your Clipchamp, go down to your search bar, click in Clipchamp, and you can click it right here or you can click open right there. I'm going to minimize the screen. And we got to wait for it to open. And this is what the front looks like. You can do templates that are already made, or you can create your own video. We're going to push create our own video. Then you're going to go to record and create. Now, since we're going to do a screen recording, you might just choose your screen. You can choose your screen and camera, which we're going to choose here because I want to show you how to find your camera and your microphone. So you want to click on the camera that you're using, and you're going to click on the microphone that you're using. If you actually have a script that you want to read while you're doing the video, click script, copy and paste your information right here. This is a great way to avoid using the ums and ands that Dr. Mendoza warns us about. Once you get that all set up and choose the ones that are appropriate for you down here, you're going to click the Start Recording button. Now it's going to ask you, do you want the entire screen that you have, or do you want just the window that you're on? We're going to choose the window that we're on right now, and then you push Share. It's going to count down to the recording, and here you see we're recording. So we're recording me, and we're recording the screen that we have on. Again, here's your script. If you mess up and you do a lot of ums and ands and don't want those points taken away, here's your record again, and you can start all over. If you want to pause and read what you think you need to say next, you can pause the video right here, and then you can push resume. You can either push review here to end it, or you can push the stop and review button. To the recording, and here you see I'll turn that sound off. Again, if you don't like what you're doing, you can retake the recording, or here you can save and edit. Pushing the save and edit button, both screens are going to pop up for you to edit each one. There's a lot of edit information that you can do, a lot of changes, a lot of ads that you can do. You can clip. So there's a lot that you can do in here that you need to research. So you need to do your research about which screen recording that you want. Don't just jump into an app. You want to see what is good for you and what tools that you're going to use most.